How to delete account in lastwire. So in order to delete account, you can have in order to either to delete your account or either to delete the character. So make sure you're in the account you want to delete, because it's not a reversible process. So deletion is irreversible. So first of all, go to your my profile at the top left. So once you're inside my profile, you'll have to hit on towards the settings option, and inside the settings you can find different of the settings. If you go to the character management from settings, you'll be able to delete the character, but if you want to go ahead delete the account, go to the general settings. So you'll have to hit into our general settings, and you'll have to simply scroll all the way down till you find delete account. So you'll have to simply go to the delete account, so it will lead you to delete the account. If you want to really delete your account, go ahead and press on delete in order to delete your account, press on the view of delete account. So once you press there, you will be asked to delete the account or the character, so simply press on delete account and you are done. Thank you.